Okay, class 4, good morning. This is, you're back to social studies. Remember what we learned last time? We learned about the history of the school. And today, we learn about our school motto. Now, what is our school motto? What is the school motto, class? Now, we realize that, now before we look at what is a school motto, look at, for example, when you come to school, or when you are at home, you can also look at your badge. What is written in your badge? Look at also, can you remember what is written at the back of the bus, or next to the bus? There is some things written there. Can you remember them? So, school motto, when you look at them, look at your badge, you will find a school motto there. When you look at the bus, you'll also find a school motto. When you look at our block, that is our class 4, class 5, 6, 7, 8 block, you'll find there is a school motto. Also there is a badge that is there. Now, school motto, this is just a short statement about aim and belief of our school. Now, what is a school motto? Now, what is a school motto? Now, this one is just a short statement. It is a short statement about the aim and belief of the school. Is a short statement about the aims and belief of our school. Now, class, who can tell me what is our school motto? Now, what is our school motto? Who can try? Now, think and then you give me what is our school motto. Now, our school motto is, now, I believe you can see here, our school motto. Our school motto is prayer. Let me write in capital that you can see. Prayer and hard work. Prayer and hard work brings us success. Bring success. I believe you can see this. Prayer and hard work brings success. That is our school motto. Now, when you look at that, when we pray, first of all, when we pray and then we work hard, we love our success. So when you're at home, you also do this, pray, and then you work hard, success will come. That is what we believe in. Now, what are the benefits of school motto? Let us look at the benefits. Benefits of a school motto. Now, benefit of our school motto. How do this school motto help us, benefit us? Now, we realize school motto guide our behavior. The school motto guides the behavior of learners. School motto will guide us. Why? First of all, before doing something, we must pray. That is when we will have that success. Now, school motto, one behavior benefit is school motto guides the behavior. School motto guides the behavior of learners. Now, learners here, you are the learners. Now, it guides us. Now, before we do something like when we are in school, we pray angelus prayers. Before we go for our meals, that is lunchtime, we must do what? We must pray. So, it also guides us. Now, number two, we also realize it also helps us to remember what we want or what we need. For example, for us to succeed, we must work hard. And also we must also pray. Now that is that. Now number 2, it helps us to remember what we need to perform well. It helps us to remember. What you want to do or perform in school. Then number 3, it also reminds us to be good example for others. We also find that when we are going before we go for lunch, somebody will lead us in a prayer. Will also guide us. Will lead us an example. So number 3 also, it reminds learners to be good example of others. School motto. Remind us to be good example to others. Now look at that. It also reminds us to be good example to others. Now number 4, it encourages learners to develop patience, determination, and hard work. It encourages us to develop hard work. Now, that is why we say hard work, prayer and hard work brings success. Now, what I want to also see is, where do we find the school motto? Where in our school, where do we find it? As I said earlier, we can find them in our badges. You can also find them in some schools. You can find them in the gates. Also in the signposts. Some schools also have the signposts. Now they can be found there. But now let us see. Look at your school. Where do we find our school motto? Now, where school motto is written. Now, so let us see where the school motto is written. One, we can now say, one is written in the school gate. We have school gate. School gate. 2, we have the school signpost. Then number 3, we have the school bus. They are written in the school bus. Finally, lastly, they are written in the school badge. Now, those are where we find where it is written in the school. Now, I want you to do this assignment. So, be very keen and answer these questions that I'm going to write on the board. Number 1, let us have the assignment. Number 1, What is our school motto? What is school motto? What is school motto? School motto. Number 2. What is our school motto? Number 3. Name 3 places where Name 3 places where school motto can be written. Then lastly, we have write 3 benefits of a school motto. Now, I want you to try these questions. Make sure you arrange your work very well. Write them and send your work for marking. Now, I want to stop from there. I want the work to be submitted today for marking. And with those few remarks, have a blessed day today. Thank you.